How to cash out the Steam wallet to your bank account. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can cash out your Steam wallet. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So if you have some coins from your Steam account and if you want to cash out, so the Steam doesn't give you any option to cash out your Steam wallet from your bank account, but you can use that to buy the other games. So you could basically give to other people. So in case if you want to use the third party website, you just have to go on the g2g.com and from there you can also buy the other games. So what you have to do is simply open up the new tab and here you just have to search for the G2G Valorant, and from here you just have to go in it, and from here you are able to get the other games that you want to buy from your Steam wallet. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.